Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying a twist and curl again. The first time I tried it, it didn't work out. Like it wasn't right. But anyways, I'm gonna try it again today and hopefully everything works out. So I'm going to be using the herbal oil from Africa's Best. And yeah, I have like this much. It's almost finished. And then I'm going to be using the Lotta Body Milk and Honey Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. And then, of course, this is like my new favorite. The Moisture Miracle Moisture and Define Curling Cream from African Pride. Okay, so y'all already know I'm going to take this big section right here. And then in that big section, I'm going to put my oil. And then I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner. Now this is really thick, so I'm going to just put 2 pumps because I don't want the front to have too much product. And then this big section is going to be split into 2. Now I'm going to start to style it. I have this section of hair right here. The first thing I'm going to do is detangle. And then after I detangle, I'm going to use the curling cream. I'm just going to work my way up like usual. And then I'm going to split into 2. I'm just going to start twisting. So for this, I'm not sure if it's halfway or like towards the end, but like I get to about halfway, I put a little bit more cream, make sure the hair has enough product in it. And then I take my small rod right here and I'm going to make sure the hair is flat on the rod. You can see the point right there, make sure it's flat. Then I just roll it up until I get to the twist part, so I know that the part that's not twisted is fully rolled up. And then I'm just going to close it. When you get to this part, make sure the hair is flat so that I can actually lay on the perm rods. So you see how it's just laying on the rods? Make sure it's flat on the rod like this so that there's no frizz or nothing. It's all flat on the rod. And then you just roll it up. If the hair isn't flat on the rod, it's not going to have that, you know, that curl pattern, which is what you want. That's why you're doing the rod. So you want to make sure your hair is flat on the rod. I think that's the key to like a really good rod set, is just to make sure your hair is flat on the rod. Because if your hair is not flat on the rod, when you take it out, the curl pattern just won't work. So for the takedown, I'm gonna take some of the oil again, and I'm just gonna put that through my fingers. And I'm going to start to take down the rods. Alright guys, so this is how we're looking so far. So basically I just take the twist I split it, and then I just separate the twist and I twirl around my fingers. Because of the twirling around my finger at the end, there's no need to separate the curl where it naturally separates, because you're going to twirl around your finger in the end anyways because of the perm mods. So like, you don't have to do all that extra stuff. Just split wherever you want to split and then twirl it around your fingers. So we're down to the last two, and honestly y'all, like, now that I'm looking at it, it is a little bit frizzy, so maybe don't do like me and separate the curl where it actually separates, because I'm not doing that, and I see that the curls are kind of frizzy. And if you don't mind the frizzy look, alright, but if you mind the frizzy look, then don't do what I'm doing. I'm gonna go with my pick, and I'm just going to lift the roots like I usually do. Alright, so I think this is about as even as I'm going to get it to be. It's like there's this like big part in the middle. I don't know. But this is pretty much how it's looking. Let me show you guys. I kind of like it. It's like a very, it's a curly fro, but like not a super defined fro, if that makes any sense. But I'm definitely feeling it. Like, it's very like very 80s, you know, like not 70s, but like 80s oldies vibes. So I like it. It's very different. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.